Alright, this is part 2. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that thing. This is Mauna Kea. Oh, look at this. It's so sketchy down here. A lot of graffiti everywhere. Goodness, look how terrible that is. My goodness. Oh my gosh. What has this road turned into? Let's go through here. I'm guessing this is Hawai'i. Oh my, what in the world? People, they're using trash everywhere. This is how the environment's polluted. Yeah, we can cross. Alright. This is, yep, North Hawai'i Street. There's some park over here, and that's an apartment building. Yep, I need to catch the 95, which I believe comes at 5:16, 5:17, 5:15, around that time. There's the elevator. I guess we can ride it, yeah. Let's do it. This is basically one of the street elevators. This goes up to the parking deck. Parking. And of course, it's an Otis. Here are P. 1. Let's do the parking deck. Alright, we'll go back up. Here are 1. Alright, here we go. We're continuing on the walk. So there's the parking exit. Oh boy, this is crazy. Talk about climate change, whatever that means. However that refers to. There's Mark's building. This is a one-way street. Oh, look at that. Hold on, let's take a look at this. There's a freight elevator here. Look at that. Very cool. It's keyed off though. There's the Hawai'i Theater, which I don't know if I've been there before. Well guys, this is what downtown is like at before 5 and at around 5 in the afternoon. There's some elevators there. They're originally touch sensitive Otis, but they got modded. I do know is that when you're in a public street, you can take all the pictures and videos you want because it's in your rights, including my rights. Unless if you're on private property, then yeah, the owner or whoever is in charge of that property does have the right to tell you to stop taking pictures. But if it's public property or unless you have a business being there, then yeah, that's them being crazy. But anyways, let's cross the street here. We'll walk across. Very nice view. All right. Let's go. Yes, this is gonna be another thing on my YouTube content where I will start filming like streets and cities and certain places of Hawaii. Well, you see, the thing is, the mall area is actually public property. Oh, there's the bus, Route 54, bus number 707. Love it. Now we're currently walking to the bus stop, where the express routes come, including 95, 42, Route 42, 20, A, and C, and 40 and 51. And it's pretty much one of the routes. Century Square. There's Honda. There's some other public areas. There's another condominium there. So there's a lot of condos, a lot of offices here, and some shopping centers. So this is Polly. That's Bishop. Very cool. Alright, let's cross the street. That's 801, Route 53. With an orange number sign. How interesting. Alright, well, that'll be it. Thank you for watching.